Are you ready for some serious gadget goodness? Get ready to step into the future, because we're about to explore 7 of the most incredible, futuristic gadgets you can get right now on Amazon. We're not talking about your average tech here. We're talking about things that feel like they belong in a sci-fi movie. From a tiny robot that patrols your home to a ring that tracks your health with AI. Let's get into it. iDPRT Portable Thermal Printer. First up, let's talk about printing on the go. The iDPRT MT610 Pro Portable Thermal Printer is a serious game changer. This isn't one of those bulky, heavy printers you have to lug around. It weighs just over a pound and is so compact, it easily fits into a backpack or even a large purse. It's the perfect solution for students, travelers, or anyone who needs to print a document or their child's homework when they're out and about. What makes it truly special is its advanced inkless technology. You heard that right? No more buying expensive ink cartridges or toners. It uses thermal paper to produce high-definition, 300 dpi prints in just 4 to 6 seconds. Setting it up is a breeze. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth using the HerePrint app, or to your PC with a simple USB cable. The built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery gives you incredible freedom, allowing for up to 4 hours of continuous printing or 240 pages on a single charge. It's reliable, convenient, and always ready when you are. Samsung Galaxy Ring. Next, imagine having a smart health tracker that you literally wear on your finger. That's the Samsung Galaxy Ring. It's sleek, lightweight, and so comfortable that you'll forget it's there, which is exactly the point. This AI-powered smart ring is a constant companion, silently collecting insights on your sleep patterns, fitness activities, and even your cycle. The Galaxy Ring is built for your everyday life. Its durable concave design helps minimize scratches, and it's water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about taking it off for a shower or a workout. The best part is its intuitive tracking. Just hop on the treadmill and it starts tracking your workout without you lifting a finger. It also offers improved heart rate tracking by filtering out body movement for a more precise reading. And with its personalized wellness tips, it helps you make the most of every day. Jellyfish Lamp. Looking to transform your space into a tranquil, underwater oasis? The Jellyfish Lamp is a mesmerizing gadget that does just that. This lamp mimics the gentle rhythmic movements of jellyfish, creating a calming oceanic ambiance that's perfect for relaxation and stress relief. But this lamp is more than just a pretty face. It has a unique sound-activated mode that makes the jellyfish dance to the beat of your music, turning your room into a dynamic light show. With 9 flexible tentacles, it perfectly simulates the enchanting sway of real jellyfish, adding a captivating motion to your space. The lamp is completely rechargeable with a 1000 mAh battery and features both touch sensor and voice control, making it incredibly versatile for use as a night light, a desk lamp, or an atmospheric light in any setting.
NIIMBOT
110 Mini Label Maker is the... If you're anything like me, you love to be organized.
NIIMBOT
110 Mini Label Maker is the perfect tool to bring order to your life. This upgraded wireless and ultra-portable label maker weighs just 149 grams, making it small enough to slip into your pocket. The D110 has a smart label rewind function that automatically calibrates the paper so you don't waste the first label. It's a huge time and money saver. It uses direct thermal technology with a 203 dpi resolution print head, so you get clear, high-quality labels without ever needing ink or toner. With its 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, you can print for up to 4 hours continuously.
NIIMBOT
App provides tons of creative functions and templates, allowing you to easily customize labels for everything from kitchen organization to school supplies and small business products. Moorebot Scout. Have you ever wondered what your pets get up to when you're not home? Or maybe you want a mobile security camera for your home? Meet the Moorebot Scout, a tiny and incredibly versatile mobile camera robot. With its omnidirectional 4-wheel drive, it can patrol your home and give you a live view from any room, completely eliminating blind spots. The Scout is a lot of fun too. You can control it from your smartphone to play with your pets or simply explore your home from a new perspective. For the tech enthusiasts, it even supports Scratch programming, allowing you to unleash your creativity and program custom paths. It's an ideal assistant for home monitoring, and it ensures your privacy with a highly secure protocol that keeps it on a pre-programmed path. Ray-Ban Meta Glasses. This next one truly feels like the future of eyewear. The Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Glasses are a seamless blend of timeless style and cutting-edge technology. They allow you to capture photos and videos, listen to music, make hands-free calls, and even interact with Meta AI, all without ever taking out your phone. Equipped with an upgraded ultra-wide 12-megapixels camera and a 5-mic system, these glasses capture exactly what you see and hear with incredible clarity. You can even live-stream your point of view directly to Facebook or Instagram. The discrete open-ear speakers provide rich, quality audio for music and calls without blocking ambient noise. You can instantly switch between your phone's camera and the hands-free POV camera on your glasses, giving the person you're calling a brand new view of the world. Insta360 Flow 2 Pro AI Tracker. Finally, for all the content creators, this one is a must-have. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro AI Tracker is a powerful AI tool that breaks free from the limitations of your phone's apps. This tracker ensures you're always perfectly in frame, whether you're on a video call, live streaming, or recording a meeting. With its advanced AI-driven tracking, the Flow 2 Pro accurately identifies and maintains a firm lock on your subject, even in complex environments. It has a built-in spotlight with adjustable brightness and color temperatures, so you can always shine through, even in low light. The coolest feature is gesture control. You just raise your hand to start or stop the AI tracking. It's lightweight, compact, and provides an unmatched level of convenience and precision for all your mobile shots. So there you have it, 7 of the most viral and futuristic gadgets available on Amazon right now. Which one are you adding to your wish list? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing tech, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more.